So hey everybody, okay, so we are still in the series of what X number of dollars can get you in DFW. So I am doing today what $600,000 will get you in DFW part 2, okay? And we're in, again, another one of my favorite neighborhoods. We are in the Ridgmar edition of Fort Worth, which is just west. If you go out on I-30, centrally located. This is a 1958 build. So now you know kind of the neighborhood and these huge mature trees. That this is a corner lot. Oh, it's fantastic. It's a 0.16 acre of a lot, so plenty of room. I cannot wait to show you a couple of hidden gems in there and the money shot in the backyard. I'm not kidding you. So again, 1958 build. This is going for 600 grand. Been on the market about 20 days-ish, something like that. It is a 3-2, and stick with me. Let's go see it. All right, come on. And as always, first commercial, if you really like what I'm doing here and you love diving into doing the deep dive wholeheartedly, foot first, head first, join me, share this, comment. I really want you to comment. I want to have some interaction. I want to know what you want to see. Am I hitting the notes that you're looking for? Trying to give as much information as possible. I know that people who look at these videos are really looking for information and the deep drill down, okay? And I'm trying to give that to you. But just let me know. So tap that notification button down below, subscribe, call, text, email. And if you tap that notification button, you'll be the first to find out when our videos drop, okay? We're the hookup. My name is Julia Duffy and I'm with Life in Fort Worth. Even though I handle all of DFW, me and my team, we are loaded and ready to go, all right? Here we go. Oh, see, okay, here we go. Yeah, Christmas time, yes. I'm loving this. Okay, so one thing that you do need to know as we go in, this is, you'll see, just again, one of my favorite architecture types, mid-century modern. I'm gonna give I'm just gonna shut up if that's possible and show you from major pan of how open this is. Okay, coming back out into the living room, just really a fun, open living space. Again, I'm showing the dining, sitch, built-in desk. I like that. I'm one of those people, I come in from the mailbox or I come in from the store and I just throw things. I know that's not, the best way, but I clean it up right away. But boy, I sure do like a place where I can catch all my stuff. Same thing with this island. This is a big island. This is obviously redone. Looky, they built this out. It was originally here to here, but they built it out nice to make it more appropriate for the kitchen. Yep, lots of storage, y'all. I'm not gonna get nosy. Look at the stainless steel upgrade. We love that. These cabinets, actually, this part looks new for some reason. I don't know. Not that it needs to be, but good call, peeps. And we're gonna hang a left into this massive pantry area. Again, really enough room that you can build more shelves if you want. This is the utility room. Great hand washing station. Love the shelving. That it looks very new. So does that tile backsplash. That whole wall, really. Wonderful washer and dryer. And here we got evidence of the big dogs again. That's great. Little mudroom station. And I'm just gonna take a peek in here. Yep, water heater. No biggie. I'm not even sure I got that. Did I? Ish. Oops. Nice. Okie doke. Unbelievably open. Open floor plan, y'all. Dining area over here. Look at that fun wine refrigerator. Looks like a dry bar over there. We'll do a little bit more in-depth coverage over there in a second. Just wanted to, let's just start with the entry and just hang a right, and let's go see some bedrooms and bathrooms. Alrighty, right here to the left is the shared bathroom. All, needless to say, updated. The updates, y'all, were done in 2021. So that is why they look so recent. And I am digging the tile. You can see that windowsill is pretty 1958. That's all right. I love the fact, if they say some stuff, how cool is that? This floor, luxury vinyl to simulate hardwood. And we'll go back here. I'm just gonna tease you for a second. Money shot pool. Okay. And floating shelves. We love that. That's very updated and cool. Dresser. And some baby action back here. Baby room. Okay, coming out of that room into the linen closet in the hallway. And right there to the left is the office. I am not opening up those blinds, but plenty of natural light and big dog bed. How fun is that? Somebody's got a big dog. As someone who has small dogs, I can attest. And going down the hall, and again, I'm feeling a little slopey on here, gotta tell you. All right, primary bedroom. Going into the primary bath. Double basin. Love the tile, y'all. Standalone tub. And would you look at this shower, that rain head, normal head. Fantastic update, y'all. And I am, you know, I'm the big bench, love the shower bench. That is gorgeous, well done, well done. Big walk-in closet, primary closet. Very, very ample. You could even add some rods, you could add shelving. There's still plenty of room, unbelievably. This is good stuff. I can get you the dimensions if you're up for that. And if you like what I'm doing, you like these videos, we're racking them up. We're just plopping them in there. Anything you want to know about the DFW area, y'all. I'm doing walking tours in certain neighborhoods in the DFW area. Now we're drilling down. We're getting very specific financially on what X number of dollars can get you. This house is what 600,000 can get you in DFW. And this is an absurd amount for your money. It's 2185 square feet. It's a 3-2 bedroom bath, built in 1958. Really, really nicely updated, nicely done on the update that they did in 2021. So that's why everything inside looks so fresh and ready to go. Big pool outside, sitting area. I mean, it has it all. We're in Ridgmar. So I can only say so much because of fair housing, but that's all I'm saying. So if you love it, share it, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see more of, you know? And subscribe and tap that button to get notified when we drop our videos. We're doing 2 a week, so you'll want to keep up with it, okay? Ask me anything, go into the comments. Would love to have an exchange with you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, let's do the garage. Goodness, thought this was gonna be, well, heck. You can tell they're in move mode. Okay, I don't know why. I guess you're not gonna get to see it. Shoot. Very dark. and maybe that's on purpose. No room for cars, but this is a big 2-car garage. I think a little bit, well, no, only 2 cars can fit in here. So the garage, the light's not working. So it's enough for two cars, huge for 2 cars. You can also see we're off to the side of one of the oversized car positions, ports, whatever you want to call it, loads of room for storage. They're in moving mode, you know, so it's not exactly pretty, but it's okay. You can see what it is. And that's it for the garage. And HVAC right here in the hall looks pretty on target. We can double check. Wow, that's a little sticky. Okay, we already did that bathroom. Okay, here we come back from this angle. I'm dying to go outside, so let's do it. There's a pool out there and I'm dying to see it. Okay, I'm digging this. I'm leaving the door open. Thank goodness it's not summer, so there aren't many flies out here. Y'all, look at this. Big, huge driveway with, the secure gate. That's awesome. But look at this sweet patio. Here we go with the, really good size two-car garage. And now, see, there's enough room for a big dog. Enough room for my 2 little Chiweenies as well. Wow, would you look at this? This looks even inviting on a December day, y'all. Because you're in DFW where it doesn't get cold a lot. It's about 50 degrees right now. But that sun makes it feel like 60 easy. Gorgeous tree. Sorry, that's right in the sun, y'all. Didn't mean to do that. Good retaining wall. It looks super sturdy. That fence looks sturdy. And looky up here. Nice place for sit around. They've got a little bit of a fire pit going on. This is very nice. Okay, I'm telling you, you are getting a lot for your money here. And that's about all I want to show with the pool. A little step there and hot tub scenario. Okay, let's go back in. And again, commercial number 2. If you like what I'm doing here on these videos, I want to hear from you. Just, comment. Make sure you share. Go right around. But what we're doing in this series is we're drilling down. I've done like a bunch of neighborhood overviews and vlogs and walking tours. And now what I'm doing is literally going into the actual homes that are on the market in those neighborhoods at a certain price, letting you know what your dollar will buy in our DFW area. So it's great information. It's going to give you really the goods so you can make a decent decision, because you can't decide if you don't have the info, right? So tap that notification button. You'll be the first to hear all the haps in the area. If you're moving in 1 day, if you're moving in 100 days, we're your hookup. Life in Fort Worth. I'm Julia Duffy, and I will see you on the next video.